Okay, good morning, student. 8th maths class. Before starting with that new formula, uh, just take your textbook, open as per my instruction page wise, and with the pencil because next year this syllabus will again reintroduce. So for this year only they are cancelled. So please mention. Page number 2, exercise number 1.1, full cancel. See here, full exercise or full chapter they have not cancelled. Page wise, some sum wise cancellation is there. So I will tell page number or exercise or sum, whatever cancel. So page number 2, 1.1, full sum number 1 and 2 cancel. Page number 12, sum number 5 cancel. Mark with pencil only. First time sum. Page number 33. Page number 33. 6.4. 7th and 8th cancel. Page number 33. 7 and 8th. Page number 36, 7.1, fourth number, cancel. Page number 39, page number 39, sum number 37 नहीं 36 पे फोर्थ फ्रॉम बॉटम सेकेंड क्वेश्चन मीन्स फोर्थ नंबर टेबल. पेज नंबर 39, पेज नंबर 39, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ. पेज नंबर 4040, 7.3. In question number 1, all 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. In first 7.3, page number 40, full first question with 4 sub question. Problem number 1 only cancelled. 2, 3, 4 is there. Only first question cancelled. Full textbook information I am giving. Page number 50. Page number 50, 50. Question number 4, 5, 6 cancel. 4, 5, 6 cancel. Page number 55. 9.1, 55, 9.1, only 5th and 7th cancel. Question number 6 is there. 5 and 7, 5th and 7th cancel. Page number 59 and 60, full on cancel means Miscellaneous exercise 1, total omitted. Page number 59 cancel, page number 60 total page cancel. Page number 64, 64, 10.1, last 4 example cancel. 7, 8, 9, 10 cancel. 7, 8, 9, 10 cancel. Page number 66, 10.2, out of 7, first and second cancel. Sorry, second and third cancel. Sorry. Again, page number 66, 10.2, second question, third question cancel. Page number 70, page number 70, 11.1, last problem, fourth problem cancel. 11.2, page number 72, fourth question, fourth problem cancel. Page number 77, page number 77, 12.1, last 5 questions. Question number 1 full is there. Question number 2, in question number 2 there are 11 questions. So from that, page number 72, 77, 12.1, question number 2, in that there are 11 questions. 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10 cancel, 11 is there. 7, 8, 9, 10 cancel, 11 is there. Page number 93, 14.2, page number 93, 14.2, last 5 word problems cancel. Problem number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 question, last 5 cancel from 14.2. Mark with pencil only, it is not permanently cancelled. Okay, that much only, rest of are as it is. Now five point three first part we have done. 5.3 second part. Whatever we have done in 5.1 and 5.2 and 5.3, all combination in 5.3 second sum, means 2 times we have to write different formula for a plus b cube, a minus b cube. For example, 2a plus b cube minus 2a b cube. Now this is x plus y cube also and x minus y cube also. So for this what you will write? First cube plus 3ab plus 3ab. First time a square, the second time b square. It is plus, so all plus b cube. This is first bracket minus second bracket cube 3 4 second plus minus plus 3ab square plus minus. Now in this 2a. Now b, so b and b. 2a. b. Open this bracket. 2 to the 4 to the 8a cube. 2 to the 4th is a 12 a square b. 2 3 is a 6 ab square plus b cube. As per 5.2, this is as per 5.3. In 5.2 we have learned a plus b whole cube. In 5.3 we learn a minus b whole cube. 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. Open the bracket now. When you will open the bracket, because of this minus, all sign will cancel. 8a cube 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. 8a cube 12a square b minus 6ab square. Sign change. 8a cube cancel. 6ab square cancel. 12 24 a square b. b cube 2b cube. This is the final answer. Like that, this is 5.3 to first question. Second question. 3R2K. 3R2K. One time plus, one time minus, in between plus. So cube of first 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is for first. For second, remember the formula. A cube 3ab a square b 3ab square plus b cube. What is a? 3r. What is b? 2k. What is a? 3r. K. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 r cube. 2 to the 4 to the 8k cube. 3 3 is 9. 9 6 is 54 r square k plus 2 to the 4. 4 9 is 36 r k square. Plus, because it is plus, so you can continue. For minus, you have to change the sign. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 r cube. 54 r square k, like that only. 36 r k square. 8k cube. So 8k cube cancel. 54 cancel. 27 54 r cube. 36 72 r k square. So first, second, third and fourth, only 4 steps. But we have learned these separate in one exercise, these separate in another exercise. Now combination of both, sometimes subtraction, sometimes addition. But I'll write here. Yes. Four a minus 3, 4a plus 3, 4a minus 3 cube, 4a plus 3 cube. In between what it is given? Minus. So a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus, it is minus b cube. First, second, cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What is your first term? 4a, 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 3, 3, 3, again 4a, 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 3, 64 a cube. For the 16 nines are 144 a square plus 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 54 double 108 3 power 2 power 1 power 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 minus all term will be the same 64 a cube but plus 144 a square 108 a 27. Open the bracket. 64 a cube 144 a square plus 108 a, same. Now it is minus, so change the sign. Minus, 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 minus. So this minus this cancel. This cancel. This also cancel opposite. But minus 144 minus 144 minus 288 a square. Minus 27 minus 54. So this is the final answer. 5x 7y. 5x 7y cube. 5x 7y cube. Check the plus like this. So in first bracket, cube 3 cube square b square minus, in between minus, a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus, so what is your a? 5x 5x 5x, here also 5x 5x 5x, 7y 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 7y, 5 5s are 25 5s are 125x cube, 5 5s are 25, 7 3s are 21 time 25, suppose it is 20 time, so 521, this is x square y, this is x y square, 7 7s are 49 7s are, again same but all plus, 125x cube 521 x square y 105 x y square 30343 y cube. It is minus, so change the sign. 125x cube 521 minus 125, change the sign, minus plus, minus, all sign will change, minus plus plus, now this minus this plus, this will cancel, this minus this plus, that is also cancelled, this minus this plus also will cancel. This is all plus also, all plus, so all minus. It was my mistake, sorry. Now compare opposite sign. Which are plus, that only will cancel. This plus and minus cancel. This plus and this minus will cancel. Both are minus. So double 5042. Both are minus, so negative sign. This and this both are minus. That is the final answer. First answer, second answer, third answer, fourth answer. There are 4 questions. All 4 I have solved. You just take a screenshot and open this. Take a screenshot. No, it is okay. Now, now, wait. Now it is okay. Is it clear? Is it? Those are clear now, you just take the screenshot. Who is singing? Whose speaker is on? Now till what we have done now, take the summary first. Now this is very important. You just write with me because don't depend on screenshot. Follow? This is the full summary of chapter. Okay. Now write all the formulas of this chapter. A plus B square it is A square plus 2AB plus B square. is a minus b. Wait. A square minus 2ab yes. Okay, 1 a plus b a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula a minus b square. Now I will speak up. Is equal to a square 2ab plus b square. 3 a plus b a minus b a square minus b square. Fourth x plus a x plus b x square plus x a plus b plus x square. Then